Okay, so I am going to teach you how to make a little mini pie, berry pie. And this isn't cooked yet, but that's what it should look like, and then you cook it in the oven. So I'm going to put that aside. And what you need is what I got. I got like a bucket of goop, berry mix.
Mm-hmm.
And we put strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries from our garden.
Mm-hmm.
Not the strawberries and blueberries, but
And sugar.
And sugar.
Mm-hmm.
And we just mix it up.
And we cooked it.
And we cooked it.
Mm-hmm.
And this is if you think this is like jam, it basically is jam. It's just
Mm-hmm.
no. You need a spoon.
Mm-hmm.
You need like a tablespoon. And you need a fork. You need some eggs. And a little thingamajig.
Brush.
You need some parchment paper. And then the dough. And a rolling pin. So to start it off, sometimes it's pretty thick. So you roll it. Not the best.
To thin it out a little.
To thin it out. So stop.
All the way back. All the way back. Other way. It's a little too thin. Okay. That's good. Now twist it. Right? Remember? Opposite direction.
Twist it.
Mm-hmm. 180 degrees. Good.
And then you are ready. So first, you get a bowl of eggs, and you get some on your swishy thingamajig.
Mm-hmm.
And then what I do is I get a whole bunch and then swirl it on the edge, because it leaks back down.
Mm-hmm.
And then you want to spread it out, and you don't want too much. You just want it so that the butter, the egg, can seal the ends. So you mostly want it in the end, but you also want it in the middle. And just like that. Next step is to find where it's the easiest to fold. So that's the easiest to fold for me.
Uh-huh.
So I'm going to put the hunk of goop right there. That's how I do it, which makes it easy. I get a bunch like that, and I scrape it on the edge, and it's okay with the chunks. And I grab the spoon, and I decide where I place it, and then I put the spoon in, and I scrape it out. And then you can move it with the spoon to get in like a good spot, and then that's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
So you're done with the spoon and the hunk now. Now you grab the two pieces, the two corners that you have decided to fold, and then you fold. You want to fold this one that doesn't have any gunk more than the other one, and then eventually they'll meet up, and like that. Oh,
It's okay.
like that.
Mm-hmm.
And you want to pinch it quick. And you can do it like that.
Mm-hmm. That's all right.
And
Try it again.
and, oh,
It's not perfect every time.
yeah.
If you need to, you just take it and move it.
Oops.
It's because it's been sitting for a while. It's sticky to the paper.
Like that.
There you go. Now just pull it a little more.
You want to push it
Pull it
to
out.
the edge.
And then fix this, pinch this a
And then
little
you
bit.
want to pinch that.
Just make sure you pinch that so that's, yeah.
So, and then you want to, not too hard, squish it so that it's sealed. And
You're going to make a vent hole anyway,
Yeah.
so that'll be fine.
then you take your fork, you take the 4 tongs,
Mhm.
and you don't want to push it too hard. That's what I did on my first pie, and it didn't work out. And you don't want to do it too lightly, but you want to use that so you can seal your pie. You can seal your pie. And you just go by and by. And you want to seal the corner like that. And you can
And that's it. Just leave it. It's fine.
patch it up.
Because you got to put a vent hole anyway, so it's fine.
And then you put it over here, and Or
Come, bring it over here so people can see.
here.
No, the one that you were just about to show. Yeah.
This is probably my best one. And what's funny is on the bottom there's a bunch of cracks, but all we did was flip it over, so it looks nice.
Well, let's see. If you wanted to flip this one over, you probably could do that. Let's see. Let's try. Let's flip it. And if you want to make so you can just flip it over, right? And then you can just,
Just
see?
like that. And then you don't have to like patch up the little cracks. That's all. Ooh. Don't want to do too much. And then, also did
Use a pointy one.
I got a pointed knife. And then
Well, first you want to do this part. So you want to do egg wash. Here, actually, go grab the pan and we can start. See if it's hot. Is it hot? Okay, bring it over. And show people putting it on the pan.
we bring the pan over.
Okay, so just lift them up.
Lift them up. So
You can leave it on there or not, doesn't matter.
Okay.
So turn it like this so stuff fits though. Alright, and then show them what to do.
And then you take
Here.
your butter
It's not butter. It's eggs, right? But it's butter colored.
and take a little bit, only one little, and then wipe it on top. So that, stuff sticks to it.
Okay.
And then you take your knife. Oh, you need a knife at the beginning. And you wanna, this is pretty easy. You wanna make like a little slit. Make a little slit. And a little slit like that. So when you're cooking it, it doesn't plah. It just steams up.
Has room for the steam to escape.
Yeah. Just sprinkle it. And then
Sure.
I have some sprinkles. I have these sprinkles. I have some regular old blue sprinkles. And I have these sprinkles.
So show them what to do.
And I did was I opened the cap of whatever sprinkles. It doesn't matter if you have my sprinkles. These sprinkles work. And you dump a little bit on your hand. A little more. Like that. You pinch it. And then you shoot it on top. Just like that. And if it goes into the holes, that makes it even better. So, don't want to put too much in. You want to put second kind or third kind. And then you take the rest and dump it out in the sink.
Why don't you go grab one of the finished ones? They should be cool enough. You can show them what the finished product looks like.
And when you are... Wait, first I want to... And that... And then you take your second kind of sprinkle.
Oh, okay.
If you want to, dump a little bit.
Okay, that's enough.
And you take a pinch just like the other one. You want to
These are
sprinkle it on
Wait a second.
with aqua blue. Sprinkle some on. Then you want to dump it in your sink. You mix it in your sink.
Why don't you show them what the finished product looks like?
And then you put it in the oven. And then when it comes out,
At 350 for a little bit, ready?
And that's what it shall look. So, it's pretty neat. And it shall taste good. Should we eat it?
Yeah, why don't you open it? Why don't you break it open?
Okay.
Like, cut it in half, yeah. Because we haven't opened them yet.
We haven't opened one up.
Let's see what it looks like inside.
We're going to open
Press down. Okay, now just break it. Oh.
And that's what it looks like inside.
1 second. Okay. All right, taste test. Well,
It's pretty good.
Let's take a pie. Bite.
And yeah, they're really good.
All right, wrap it up.
And that's how you make these pies.